it's Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. I'm here with my hair all shrunken up. It's literally been in this bonnet for like a week, and I've had hair wraps all week because I could not be bothered until the next wash day, which is today. It is like 11 p.m. right now, and I'm gonna wash my hair because I really want to do a wash and go. You know, it's not good to like do and set your hair and then go to bed. I don't think that's very smart to do, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. This is my first ever wash and go. I'm super excited. I've never done a wash and go before. It's such a low tension style for your hair, and I think it's very empowering to wear our natural hair and to be comfortable going out with our natural hair. I have gotten so comfortable with my hair, and I love my hair so much, but a wash and go still kind of intimidates me a little bit. I've never done one. This is the first time, so let's hope we do it well. I love filming natural hair videos, but I am also super excited because this means you guys don't have to be in the shower with me. I'm gonna wash my hair and I'll be back when my hair is wet and ready to play. It's already like stretched out for the most part, so I don't have to like do too much, which is great. But yeah, this is my first ever wash and go. Whew. I need all the natural hair beauties, all of y'all, to like, come on, give me your energy through the screen because I need this to work. I need this. I'm excited to see how this works. My hair, I feel like, is super healthy right now. My coils are thriving, and I'm just so excited. I'm so excited, can you tell? So I'll be back when I look like a wet poodle, you know? BRB, oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm doing this at 11 p.m. I'm gonna be up all night. It's okay. It's Friday. It's the weekend. These are my weekend plans. And I'm not mad about it. Y'all, this is the hair all shrunken up. I'm gonna need y'all to bear with me because I do not know what I'm doing. I wanted like a kind of like a side part, but I don't know if I'm going to actually like it when it's like dried. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna like it. I think I'm just gonna do a fro. I'm going to be using the rest of this Let's Jam. We've all seen this one. I don't think this has good hold. But then I'm going to be using this Murray's Edge Wax. My boyfriend had given this to me because he had bought it and he hated it. So he's like, you want it? And I'm like, absolutely. We're just playing in our hair tonight. I'm so excited because I tried to refrain from touching all up in my hair because it's not very good for my hair. Hands in hair syndrome is real. But now I get to play all up in my hair. I just parted it slightly. You can see like I got a small little piece there, and I'm just going to comb it out first. Delicate with our hair, especially when it's wet. Contrary to popular belief, I think people think our hair is just so strong because we have like these intense curls that like coil all the way up to our scalp, but that's not true. Our hair is the most fragile, especially when wet. This lens is driving me crazy. So I'm gonna get a bunch of this. I actually took off my nails today, thank goodness. And I guess we just rake it. Oh, okay, we're just raking the product in the hair, okay. I don't know how I feel. So I assume we just want to get all of the hair saturated. Again, I've never done a wash and go, so this is strictly trial and error with me. Okay, and then I'm going to just kind of define it a little bit. Oh, I'm just getting the hang of it, y'all. It's not good at all. My back hair is shorter, so I wonder if that will make a difference. Maybe I'm grabbing too big of pieces. Okay, it's not that bad. Oh no. It's not that bad, but I feel like it's not good either. So this is our first little batch. What do you guys think? It looks silly, doesn't it? Okay, so we're gonna do this side now. It's getting a little dry, so I'm definitely going to add some more water, and maybe like less is more. So I'm only gonna grab a little bit of this, very thick. The hold is way better with this different gel. So, oh, but I don't feel it in my hair the way I felt the other one. Put a little bit in my palms, and I'm going to try to brush it onto my palm. This gel kind of makes my hair feel drier for sure. Like the Let's Jam gel doesn't make my hair feel dry. This one, I can feel it. It feels a little dry. Let me bring you guys in. This is attempt number 2. This is the second side. Again, my back hairs are shorter, and they're also like straight back there. These pieces up here are getting a little more coily. I don't know what I'm doing at all. I don't know what to take on this. I'm going to just keep coiling. I think this side's a little better, I think, or it just seems more even, I don't know. And this side was with this jam, or this gel, and this side is with this Murray's gel, so we'll see. I don't know. I'm losing a little bit of faith, but all will be well. All will be okay. This is the progress so far. It looks so beautiful. I have this chunk up here, so I'm gonna do all that, but I love it so far. I think it looks really cute. Aww, so cute. My hair, it moves. It don't move. One more piece. The twist out definitely lost definition with the higher I went up. Not only I just got lazy, and the roots, I need to do smaller sections to like comb out the roots really well, and I just wasn't having it. So this is the hair. You see right here, like I can split that right now and go in there a little bit, add some gel. Some of it I wasn't adding like a lot of gel to, and just kind of perfect some pieces. This is how I've been doing it. I've just been twirling it a little bit. Pieces that are not, that are like a little frizzy or not defined enough, I'm just gonna add some more gel and just twist it up a little bit. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. I know it's gonna shrink, so I'm trying not to hang on to it. I'm just going to diffuse my hair. So how I heard that you're supposed to diffuse, don't touch your hair with the diffuser and just like hover it over. I know I should be getting a hooded dryer. Those are way better, I hear, and they're just like less on your hand and they give you more of an even dry, but I didn't get it yet, guys. So we're gonna try this diffuser and we'll see how it goes. I feel like it looks pretty good. Again, I'm going to sleep after this, so in the morning I can only imagine what it's gonna look like. And I heard that you don't really need heat protectant with a diffuser because like even on high heat, it's not enough to like cause damage. This Infinity Pro Conair dryer. Okay, so this is what we got. I'm incredibly lazy because it is like 2 a.m. and I'm just over it. But this is what we got. The little pieces at the end are little pieces of water. The base of my hair is dry for the most part, except for up here. And I just can't be bothered to wait. I don't care enough. So this is what the hair is looking like. I think it looks beautiful. To bed, I don't know what I'm doing right now. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it like this and just cover it. I heard you just cover it and then in the morning you just kind of zhush it and shake it up a bit. So I think I'm just gonna leave it and test that. And then I'll show you guys in the morning what it looks like after I play around with it for a bit. But I'm loving it. I think it looks beautiful. It didn't shrink as much as I thought it was gonna shrink. We'll see in the morning how much it shrinks, you know what I mean? So we're gonna cover our hair. Thank you, hair, for being so beautiful. Oh, I love it. And we're gonna go to bed. See you guys in the morning. The hair is shrunken beyond belief, which I expected. What I was expecting, I think I just messed this up. What do you guys think I did wrong? How do you guys think I can improve it? It's my first. I'm trying to get it close so you can really see like how it looks. The front is just, I didn't do anything much there, anything well. This is kind of how it looks like for the most part. It seems like it's just the end has a little ball and they're separated. Other than that, but I feel like that's what a wash and go is, no? Other than that, I think my coils look great and everything. Don't think I will be doing this again. What do you guys think? How does the back look? Let me show you guys. Thoughts, opinions, please let me know. I feel like I'm struggling here. I'm really learning. I don't hate it. I think it looks cute, especially if I pop a headband in. Actually, let me do that really quick. I'll see. Okay, if you guys can see it. See. I really love my hair. I think it's beautiful, but I just think I did this wrong. That's like just point blank. That's it. I think I just did this wrong. This is the hair. It's cute. I don't know. You guys tell me how I did. I know there's so many things I did wrong. I should probably get a hooded dryer. I should probably do this in the morning and not like at 2 a.m. and go to sleep and like lay my head down. Don't know if that's how it should work, but I don't know. Let me know. Maybe I did it right. Maybe you guys are like, yeah, like there's nothing you did wrong. I don't know. You know what? I used to think a wash and go. I mean, maybe it is. I thought it was just I wash my hair and I go, which I feel like that is what it is. I don't know. Anyway. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love. And it's not goodbye. It's see you tomorrow in a short. Bye, guys. Mwah. Bye.
Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.